Welcome to TechBros. Everyday life has been revolutionized by the introduction and widespread use of modern technology like the internet, mobile phones, and smartphones. In this video, we will showcase 15 mind-blowing gadgets that are certain to put an end to your boredom. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. UTUM Origin 800. Kickstarting our list is the UTUM Origin 800. This isn't just a power bank, it's a modular smart energy system. The base supports up to 5 cylindrical blocks, each a standalone power bank with 86.4 W capacity. Equipped with USB and USB-C ports and 220 volt sockets, it's a game changer in power management. Starting at $389, it's a robust addition to any tech enthusiast collection. Number 2. Clip Bicycle Transformer. This innovative device transforms any bicycle into an electric one. It's as light as a laptop and installs in seconds, offering a range of 10 to 25 kilometers on a single charge with a max speed of 24 kilometers per hour. It's eco-friendly, convenient, and starts at $550, a true revolution for urban commuting. Number 3. CyberPro Pen Tester's Gadget. Meet CyberPro. It may resemble a gaming console, but it's a powerful IT security tool. With Wi-Fi, RFID, NFC, and Bluetooth modules, it's essential for pen testers. It's capable of executing a lousy USB attack and much more, making it a valuable asset for cybersecurity experts. Number 4. UVibe Cooking Revolution. Revolutionizing cooking is UVibe. This isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a culinary assistant. Using RFID tags, it identifies the plate and instructs how to cook the contents perfectly. Whether it's steak or vegan dishes, UVibe handles it with ease, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Number 5. Lumus Maximus AR Glasses. Lumus Maximus AR glasses redefine augmented reality. They offer an expanded viewing angle of up to 50 degrees and are perfect even in daylight. The high-resolution displays provide sharp, vibrant images. Ideal for tech aficionados, these glasses blend the virtual and real world seamlessly. Number 6. Smartphone Dart Blaster. This gadget disguised as a smartphone is actually a foldable dart blaster. It's safe and fun and shoots soft darts up to 9 meters. It's perfect for indoor entertainment without worrying about damaging your surroundings. Number 7. Transforming Suitcase Camping Kitchen. This transforming suitcase is more than meets the eye. It turns into a fully equipped camping kitchen, complete with pots, a stove, and even a mini table. It's the ultimate portable solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Number 8. AP80 Pro X Advanced Audio Player. The AP80 Pro X is an advanced audio player with a 2.45-inch touchscreen. Supporting MQA technology, it delivers sound quality that is closest to the original recording. It's a portable, high-fidelity device for audiophiles on the go. Number 9. Aroma Shower Set. Transform your shower experience with this Aroma Shower Set. It includes a shower head and capsules that purify and enhance water with natural essences. It's like bringing a spa experience into your home, improving skin health and providing relaxation. Number 10. ITEHILCoffee Maker Cold Brew Innovation. The ITEHILCoffee Maker uses cold brew technology to make coffee in just 15 minutes. Its vacuum extraction method preserves the coffee's flavor and aroma, making it a must-have for coffee lovers seeking convenience without compromising taste. Number 11. Portable Belt Fan. This portable belt fan offers a cool breeze wherever you go. With a 16-hour battery life and 7.5 miles per second airspeed, it's ideal for outdoor activities or just staying cool on a hot day. Its sturdy design makes it a reliable companion for any adventure. Number 12. King Multitool. King is a multi-tool with a difference. Weighing just 220 grams, it packs a laser rangefinder, a 600 amp battery with a USB-C port, and even a lighter. It's the Swiss Army knife of the tech world, versatile and handy for any situation. Number 13. Lurpe R1 3-in-1 Electric Scooter. The Lurpe R1 is the world's first 3-in-1 electric scooter. It's a scooter, a solar charger, and a power bank. Lightweight and foldable, it's perfect for urban commuters who value versatility and eco-friendliness. Number 14. Pock Combo Kit Portable Workspace. The Pock Combo Kit is a game changer for those always on the move. It includes a stand, a mouse, and a keyboard, all compact and easy to carry. It's the ideal mobile workstation compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android. Number 15. Game Board 1 Digital Board Games. Last but not least, Game Board 1 is a tablet designed for board game lovers. This 22-inch square device can transform into any game board, bringing a digital twist to traditional board games. It supports online play and is a must-have for game nights. And that's a wrap on our top 15 technologies designed to kill your boredom. There's something here for everyone, from smart energy systems to digital board games. Which gadget caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TechBros for more fantastic tech content.